Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Listen and Learn. Today, I'm going to share something extremely important: how to learn English easily, naturally, and without stress. Whether you are a beginner, an intermediate learner, or someone who understands English but cannot speak confidently, this full guide is for you. In this video, we will go step by step, slowly, clearly, and very simply. You will learn a complete English learning system that actually works. A system that thousands of learners use to improve their speaking, listening, vocabulary, grammar, and confidence. So relax, sit comfortably, and listen carefully. At the end of the video, I will also give you a small action plan that you can start today. Let's begin. Before you start learning English, you must understand one important truth. English is not difficult. Learning methods are difficult. Most people learn English the wrong way. They focus on memorizing grammar rules. They focus on writing only. They focus on reading big textbooks. They focus on exams, marks, and tests. But English is not a school subject. English is a language. And a language grows naturally when you follow the right system. So the first rule is, stop learning English like a subject. Start learning it like a skill. Skills improve with practice, repetition, listening, speaking, and daily use. The easiest way to learn a language is by listening. This is how babies learn. This is how we learned our first language. This is how every human learns to speak. If you want to speak English easily, you must listen to English every day. Listening builds natural grammar, smooth pronunciation, better accent, real sentence structure, confidence, speaking ability. So, what should you listen to? Here are the best methods. 1. Slow English videos. Choose simple, slow, and clear English content. TTS-friendly channels, beginner podcasts, English stories, and daily conversations are perfect. 2. Short English dialogues. Short conversations help you learn how people talk in daily life. Example: at the restaurant, at the shop, at school, at work, with friends, with strangers. 3. English with subtitles. First, watch with subtitles. Second, watch without subtitles. Your brain slowly adapts. 4. Repeat the sentences. When the speaker says something, pause and repeat. This is called shadowing. Shadowing improves your speaking like magic. Remember, if you listen more, you speak better. If you listen less, you speak less. Most people are scared of grammar, but grammar is easy when you learn it naturally. You do not need to memorize long definitions. You only need to understand basic structures. Here is the correct way to learn grammar. 1. Learn short patterns. Example pattern: I want to, I need to, I like to, I have to. With this pattern, you can make hundreds of sentences. I want to learn English. I need to study. I like to travel. I have to go now. 2. Learn grammar through examples. Examples teach faster than rules. 3. Listen to native speakers. When you listen enough, grammar becomes automatic. 4. Practice in real sentences. Never learn grammar alone. Always put vocabulary plus grammar plus speaking together. Vocabulary is important, but you don't need thousands of words. You only need the right words. Here is the simple method. 1. Learn 10 useful words each day. Not 100 words. Only 10 words. 10 words times 30 days equals 300 real useful words. This is enough for daily communication. 2. Learn words in categories. Example, food, travel, work, emotions, daily conversation, shopping, health, time, house, weather. Reading improves vocabulary, grammar, and sentence flow. But don't read boring things. Read English stories, simple articles, short paragraphs, easy conversations, dialogues, social media posts, children's books. They are perfect. When reading, 1. Read slowly. Don't rush. Understand each sentence. 2. Read out loud. This improves pronunciation. 3. Highlight useful sentences. Later, practice speaking them. Many people write essays, long paragraphs, complicated structures. This is difficult. The easiest method is write 5 to 10 sentences every day. Write about your morning, your school, your goals, your problems, your dreams, your hobbies, your daily routine, your plans for tomorrow. Examples. Today, I woke up early. I want to improve my speaking. I am watching an English video. I will study after lunch. Simple writing builds strong English. Here is the perfect daily routine for fast English growth. 1. Listen 20 minutes. Podcasts, stories, TTS videos. 2. Speak 10 minutes. Self-talk, shadowing, reading aloud. 3. Read 10 minutes. Short stories, simple articles. 4. Write 5 minutes. Daily journal. 5. Learn vocabulary. 5 minutes. 10 new words. Total time is 50 minutes per day. But the results are huge. Many learners understand English, but they cannot speak. Why? Because of fear. Fear of mistakes. Fear of people. Fear of grammar. Fear of being laughed at. But remember, mistakes are proof that you are learning. No mistakes equals no learning. So speak freely. Speak confidently. Speak without thinking too much. English is communication, not perfection. Here is a plan you can start today. Day 1 through 7, listen 20 minutes. Learn 10 words. Shadow 10 sentences. Day 8 through 14, speak 5 minutes daily. Write 7 to 10 sentences every day. Read simple stories. Day 15 through 21, increase speaking to 10 minutes. Watch English videos without subtitles. Practice real conversations. Day 22 through 30, daily English routine. Repeat learned vocabulary. Practice fluency. Watch English movies with subtitles. Try speaking like the characters. This 30-day plan will make your English smoother, faster, and more natural. Be patient. Be consistent. Don't skip days. Don't learn too fast. Don't compare yourself with others. Enjoy the process. Celebrate small progress. And always remember, if you give English 1 hour every day, English will give you confidence for life. If you enjoyed this guide and want more easy English lessons like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it with your friends. Comment, "I will learn English," to join our community. Thank you for watching. You are improving every single day. Keep going. Your English future is bright.